Namaste, everyone. So today we are back with one more episode, which describes about learning to learn, and this is going to be our theme of next week, where we are going to invite experts from the industry, specifically education industry. And till now, education was given or was on a back bench and was not considered as a mainstream industry. But COVID has given it a privilege to become a mainstream industry, and the the stakeholder to this industry will come together, express themselves in terms of how they would like to pass the benefit, how they would like to pass the benefit cost effectively. So our main purpose at the Circle of Legend is to connect the dots, connect the information provider to the connect the information consumer. Here we are going to connect the eligible candidates, those who are in search of knowledge, to those who are going to provide the knowledge. Now let's start with learning. So you must have seen the main logo of today's program, that shows the thumb impression. And thumb impression is being a symbol, or it is symbolizing illiteracy. The second meaning of thumb impression is identity. It's a unique identity. So let's discuss these two aspects of uh, thumb impression. So the first one is being illiterate. It's definitely shameful to be illiterate. It's Many of the people feels like, I'm illiterate, that's why I'm not getting job. I'm illiterate, that's why I need to do all labor work. I'm not qualified enough to do the work which is as per human dignity. And that illiteracy is sometimes a very considered as a very backward thing. But is it so? Is every one of us is illiterate in way or another? Some of us are emotional illiterate. Some of us are illiterate in terms of managing people. Some of us are illiterate in managing situations. Or some of us are illiterate in various other aspects of life. So how to get that literacy, how to learn what we learn, is going to be a theme of learning to learn program. The second aspect of it is our identity. That same thumb impression says our identity. So once we learn, I think we can build our unique identity in the society, and we can pass on our knowledge, our information, our brand to others. So to establish our identity, what all things are required, we are going to discuss that also. Because on LinkedIn or on any of the social media these days, those who are having a prominence may not be truly having an integrity and identity. It may be possible those people, though, having a prominence or visible to us more often, are taking very many shortcuts. So this group who is going to come together are not going to take the shortcuts, but going to use the mainstream way of coming in front of target audience who really deserves it. Because I have observed each one of them, each member of this group is having something unique to offer to the society, but the society is not able to consume it in the right proportion. Imagine we have a right media, which is a social media available, using which a person or a professional can reach to thousands of people. He is creating the content with complete heart and mind involved into it. And then what happens? His content goes into a black hole. It contains his content or her content, it gets buried under the overload of the content which is of no value addition. In LinkedIn also you can see now, even in Facebook and WhatsApp, what is happening? The jokes, the comedy, or the hate rate gets the highest amount of visibility. The news related to drugs and all that, those gets highest number of visibility compared to those who are providing something which is at a moderate cost or at a no cost. So with this, I would like to bring such kind of people, professionals, together, interact with each other, complement each other, and collaborate with each other so that their content becomes visible to the mass. And there are several ways to do it. We are going to do a brainstorming on the same, that how a person can complement each other without having a threat to each other or without having an immediate competition. And one of the way is to identify the unique contribution points in each, the geographical boundaries, and the conflict of interest. So, if that is been established, that there is no conflict of interest between two people providing the service, I think they will able to collaborate in the best way, in the best interest of each other. And I think with that kind of collaboration, I'm sure each one of us will get benefit. So today's session, I will like to keep it short because we are going to arrange Zoom sessions to discuss these topics during the week. We are going to invite the experts to discuss on how to reach to this, because everyone is not expert. So, or even neither me. So we are going to do brainstorming. We are going to strategize, and we are going to use this 1 week as a sample, and the same week kind of phenomena we will be repeating a week after another with various topics like technology, like management, entrepreneurship, self-help, self-development, and so many other topics which are of interest to the community, and wherein we can come together, we can contribute with the community members and offer them the service free of charge with a commitment, definitely from commitment amount from mm, the participant, which will be refunded. With this, I would like to conclude this episode. I think I have taken 10 minutes, and more or less 5 or 7 people may have watched me. So this is what we would like to improve in our subsequent episodes. Thanks for supporting me, and those who have joined, I think if they can say me hi in comment section, I think I'll have a privilege of them being with me in this lonely journey of talking, one-way talk, but definitely with time we are going to improve, and we are going to improve uh, very systematically. I have placed a lot of emphasis on collaboration, but at the same time, capacity building is one of the key thing. So we are starting with capacity building program in TCOL, and I wish capable in persons having an enough time to come and join with us, so that we can offer the capable services with a true quality which the society requires, and not just coming online and delivering something which is ordinary. So we want to provide some value added services, and let's come together, exchange the ideas, meet each other, and progress from there. Thank you.